Here we will discuss about the excretion in plants. In plants, how plant remove waste material. In human being, we have seen that human being use different organs for removing different type of waste material like lungs, in digestive system, anus, then purification of blood with the help of kidney. But in case of plants they don't have organ. Their organization is up to tissue level. So how plant release this waste material or remove waste or toxic material from their organization? Plant use stomata to remove oxygen, carbon dioxide and water. These three things are considered as a waste material for plant. During process of photosynthesis, O2 released by plant. This is waste material for plant. Of course, for us it is useful, but for plant it is waste material. So O2 released by plant during daytime through stomata. CO2 is the waste product or waste material produced by plant during respiration. So CO2 also removed by plant, but maximum CO2 removed at night. Water during the process of transpiration, excess amount of water released from the plant through stomata by closing and opening of stomata. Root hairs or roots, they also help plant for exchange of gases, and release waste material in form of root nodules. Many times material is stored in plant which is not supposed to be used by plant, is stored in roots, and that material released by plant in roots or through roots. Another thing, plant release waste material from leaves, through leaves also, by shading the leaves, stored material in leaves, and during shading of the leaves this material fall down. Same with the help of fruits and seeds. We are getting oil from seeds. In fruits also plant store waste material. That is waste material for plant but not for us. And that is also falling, during falling of fruit, this material or waste material removed by plant in the form of fruit and seeds. During oxidation of aromatic oil, plant release waste material in form of resins. Again, degradation of cell wall also help to release waste material in form of gum. From stem or bark, during cutting or trimming of the stem, also plant release some latex or milky material, which we used to call latex, milky material, that is removed by plant. So plant release waste material in the form of latex, in form of gum, in form of resin, or you can say in form of aromatic oil. Different material released by plant in form of all this product. This material is waste material for plant, but all this material is useful for human beings. And plant release this material with the help of stomata, roots, leaves, fruits, then stem. In stem basically lenticels. Lenticels are present. These lenticels helps to release, that is the cracks present on stem. These lenticels helps to release waste material in form of gum, resin, latex, whatever we find out on the organization of plant, it oozes out from the plant in the form of xylem sac. So in this way, plant release excretory waste material, and process of excretion takes place in plant with the help of different region in different areas of the plant. So that is about the process of excretion is completed here, and in the next class we start with the new lesson, that is control and coordination.